Hello everyone and welcome back to Business Central Musings. Today I want to talk about one of the um, things I bumped into uh, last last MB-800 I took a few weeks ago, and this is about extending application area in Business Central. Um, we tend to um, use application area equal wall in our PTEs, um, or if you're working for an ISV in your app source extension. But we can actually create a new application area by extending application area setup table, um, and um, and then hook up that new application area to one of the experiences. By default, we have premium experience and essential experience. So let's just go through this article on Microsoft Learn on how to extend application areas. So application areas are uh, it's a feature of Business Central through which we can develop different experiences, hide fields or show fields, depending on where the user is. Because when you hide fields or when you show fields, you can write code for the business logic accordingly. Uh, your code is going to be cleaner, covering all use cases. So the first thing you would need to do is you need to create a new application area in the application area setup table. So what I did here on the right hand side, I extended application area setup and I added one boolean, one new field, a boolean field, delivery area. Then we need to enable the application area in the on install app per company. So I have an install codeunit. As you can see, the subtype is install, and on installation, if if IsDeliveryAreaEnabled, then we exit. Otherwise, we enable custom area. And the enable custom area basically is refreshing the experience, either premium or essential. In my case, I hooked up this new delivery area uh, uh, application area to the essential experience. So that's in large what we do. On extend the experience tier in the OnGetExperienceSubArea. So that's what we did here. This is the subscriber where you extend the essential experience with adding this application area, the new application area, delivery area. And then, of course, we can have validation, and that is on validate application area. If it's essential, the experience tier, and it's not, if the new application area is not enabled, then we get an error. So that would be in large what we need to do to have all this extension of application area plumbing done. And then the way to use the new application area, I have an example here. I added a field in the customer table, 5120, it's delivery ID, and then obviously the application area has to be on the page extension. And what I have here on the page extension for the customer card, I added this new field, but as you can see, application area is delivery area. Our application area was not without space. We had a space. If we go back to the customer, um, to the application area setup, you see here there is a space. But when you're actually using the application area in the page extension, you can omit the spaces. So this field is planted in a group, and the group comes after the general, and the area application area is delivery area. And also in the delivery area, I changed the caption of the address field to delivery address details. So let's see how that looks like. If we go to the customer card, we can see now, right after the general, we can see now a group delivery, and we can also see that the address has been changed to delivery address details. And one more thing, let's look at application area. And you can see here in the application area, the ones that are enabled, show in user interface, are basic, suite. We don't have the service and manufacturing because this is an experience. Let's see, company info. I think the experience is essentials, and we don't have in the essential experience, we don't have the service and manufacturing. But all the rest are enabled except the tax and all the basic out of the World 1, W1, we have all the other application areas, including the one we just studied, the delivery area. Let me just move the window a little bit so you can see it. Delivery area is enabled. So one more time, what did we do? We created a table extension for the application area setup. We added a field, the delivery area. Then on install, we enabled the custom area, which is here. We have a function enable custom area. We refresh the experience tier current company, and as part of that, we registered the new delivery area to true. There is also a validation that's happening here, and also a function, a helper function, is delivery area enabled, which will return if it's enabled or not in our particular experience. And then what did we do to actually use the new application area? We added a field on the customer card, and then on the page extension, we set up the application area, delivery area, the new application area. And yeah, that's in large what we did. We extended the application area setup. We hook it up, this application area, to one of the experiences, and then we were ready to use it in our pages, page extensions. That's it. Thank you for watching. Very quick video, but I really wanted to talk about it, as I've seen it in the MB-800. I've seen questions in the MB-800, and I wanted for those that just like me, I used to use application area equal all almost everywhere, but we can be more thorough with custom application areas. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. This is the channel where we learn AL and we learn about Business Central. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.